Hey guys, this is Brandon McGee at the McGee Law Firm in Texas. I'm an estate planning attorney, and today I would like to discuss with you who should you choose to serve as your power of attorney. Now, just a quick reminder, the power of attorney is the person who will be making decisions for you if you ever become mentally incapacitated. So you could have a bad stroke, you could have a head injury, Alzheimer's, but it's a very critical position that if you ever find yourself in that situation, you need to make sure you have the right person serving in that role. Now, I'm just going to offer you some suggestions that I like to offer to my clients when they sit down in my conference room with me. And number one is this. Generally speaking, we want the most responsible person. These people will be handling your money. They will be in charge of your home. They will be in charge of your medical decision making. So we need somebody who is very responsible. To me, that's the most important thing. Also, somebody who can leave emotion out of it, out of their decisions. That doesn't mean that they're an emotionless, cold person, right? It just means that when it comes down to making good, sound decisions, they can set aside their emotions and focus on the logic of what's going to be best for you medically or what's going to be best for you financially. Third is going to be proximity. So if somebody says, look, I have 2 adult children, one of them is here with me locally, the other lives, 1,000 miles away on the other side of the country, but they're both mature, they're both responsible, they both can handle this, I'm going to say, let's go with the adult child who is closer in proximity, because they may need to be present at medical appointments. They may need to come here to deal with financial institutions. They may need to come to where you live to sell your home. So proximity is very important. However, if somebody says, well, I have a client I have a adult child who lives here locally, but he or she's not the most responsible. But I have another kid that lives about a 2-hour plane ride away, and he or she's very responsible. At that point, I'm going to say, you know what, forget proximity. Let's go with the more responsible adult child to make those decisions. So for you guys, you may be deciding between adult children. If you don't have children or you don't have adult children, you may be deciding between close friends, brothers and sisters. But we want people that are very mature and responsible. We want people also that are going to be very honest, that aren't going to be trying to steal potentially from our estate, because that happens. And we want people who ideally are fairly close in proximity to where we live, if that's available. So I hope that helps you guys. Just want to remind you all, if you are a Texas resident, you're always welcome to call our office and schedule a meeting with me. Our first consultation is always complimentary. So whether, we're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but I have clients all over the state. We frequently entertain client meetings by Zoom if necessary, so that's absolutely fine. And also, if you guys want to, go ahead and follow our YouTube channel. There's a function where you can receive notices when we upload new videos. If you'd like to, go ahead and sign up for those features. Thank you so much.